So good day, guys. My name is Obi once again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be backtesting a week of price action. That's the last week price action on gold and GBP/USD. I'll be starting with gold first. So if you watch my previous videos, I've broken down what we're expecting on gold for the week. Yes, I said so. We know that market is reacting from this breakout block. Yeah. Market is reacting. So market is reacting for this breakout block, and we expect what? We expect this high to get taken out. Yeah, that was my projection for last week. And from this our most recent price action, what can we see from this point? You can see market is reacting from what? From a breakout block. From here, market reacted inside the breakout block. We had what? We had a previous day low sweep. We had a previous day low sweep. Previous daily. We also had another previous daily sweep inside another block. So what was I expecting last week? I expect, but if you look at the weekly time frame, we had previous week low taken out inside what? Inside a bullish candle. A previous week low taken out. So I expect previous week high. This previous week high, but this high should get taken out. And price might want to go further, and price might just reverse from that point. You get what I'm trying to say. So with this going forward into the week, I had a what? I had a bullish bias. So coming into the week, what did I do? I knew my previous week low. I knew my previous week low was taken out already inside this other block. So I want to even say this in my previous video. If you have any questions you want to ask, you can DM me. My link, you can contact me with my link via Telegram. Yeah, you can contact me via Telegram. So on Monday, just let's see. So with this, let's continue playing this session. Okay, from this point, if we look at it, where are we reacting from? I like us reacting to know where we are reacting from. We're reacting from this breakout block. Is this a valid breakout block? No. Why? No good inducement protecting it. Okay, can you see what we did? We took out some sort of sell side liquidity and we're reversing upward, which is not meant to be. So we have seen something like this. We saw sell side liquidity taking, and we are inside what? We are inside another block. So from this other block now, we are expecting market to take what? Take some side of liquidity out before reversing. And that's how it is going to be this point. Market should not take this point out. If market take this point out, that means us coming out down to back the zone is zero probability. So what we are now going to do is once sell side liquidity has taken out, so we're going to be looking for a way to take out this highs out. But these highs are liquidity. I see them, the liquidity. So what am I now going to do? Let's keep playing price and see what market did. Market printed a low before the break of structure. I printed this low before the break of structure. So market printed a low before the break of structure. The market started reversing. Once market started reversing, then we know what? Then we know our setup is what? Our setup is valid. Why is valid? There's inducement protecting this other block. So once this fails, there's even an imbalance. That's a fair value gap. That's another confluence for me. So I'm going to be buying from here. I'm going to be buying from here and putting my stop loss just below this. Yeah, that's my validation point. And with this is about 1 to 5, 1 to 5 risk reward. Is that not enough? That is even more than enough. So let's keep on playing price. Then the drop happens. Then we get triggered. Yeah, close to our stop, but we did not get stopped out. So then what do we have? That gets smashed. Yeah, those simple things. Simple things. Once you have the knowledge, you'll be able to work wherever you want to work to. So once I saw what did I say? I saw this logo printed before this volume. And I knew once this logo is manipulated, we are going to what? We are going to buy from this range. Why? Sell side liquidity have been taking. We are going to take our buy side liquidity first to reverse. And from what I'm seeing here, because this is an inducement. But like this now, this is an inducement. Because we look at it, this is a gap. And what our bias is bullish. Are we going to be selling in a bullish market? I don't buy with that idea. So once we discover this as our inducement, because it is obvious that that's our inducement, all the market started reversing. When market started reversing, we're going to take our next entry to the upside. At the 15 minutes, you can see this also. This is a pullback. Yeah, inducement. As what I like taking my breaker close to what my breaker should be close to. My breaker should be overlapping with fair value gap. Yeah, that gives me more confidence. Take the trade. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be buying from this point, keeping my stop loss here, and targeting nearest trades on the bit. So yeah, 1 to 6 risk to reward from this point. So let's keep playing price and let's see what price gonna play. Yeah, market got triggered. Wow, clean. Can you guys see 1 to 6 risk to reward again? Because me on the normal day, my average risk to reward is about 1 to 5. So the smallest, like if I'm taking a trade, my lowest risk to reward 1 to 5. So I can get 1 to 10, 1 to 11, I can get those crazy RR. So second setup, TP smashed. Then what are we going to be looking for again? Continuation of the buy. Because today is what? This day is Tuesday. And this setup happened during Asia. So there's a high chance that this is going to be the low of the week. There's no guarantee that this is the low of the week. This is an high chance that this is the low of the week. So on a normal day, this is our target. Are we going to be swinging? No. But we know where our target is. We aren't going to be swinging. So we know this is our target. So we continue looking forward, looking for buys. And if you notice, this is previous day low. This is Monday low. So Tuesday took out Monday's low, reacting from a breaker. That's extra confident. That means we are going to see volume to take out whoever we want to take out. So let's keep playing price. Okay, what do you do from this point to take out liquidity? Let's see. Okay. We took out liquidity. All right, that's an imbalance. So can you see on the 4 hour? On the 4 hour, what did we do? We took out liquidity inside what? Inside a 4 hour order block. Okay, that's a good thing for me. So that's showing a sign of what? A sign of bullishness. Okay, let's see. There's an imbalance here. This is 9, 10. Okay. Time is not aligning. I will not be buying from this point. But on a normal day, I'm meant to buy from that point. Yeah. Okay. 12:30. Let's see. 12:30. Nuclear structure. These are an imbalance here. Let's expect this to get filled. And let's see if we can get a confirmation entry. Okay. 135 below opening price. Yeah, we'll be buying below opening price. But from this point, our entry is very, very trickish. But we are meant to buy from this point. Why will I be buying from this point? We're inside what? We're inside a 4 hour what? 4 hour order block. Inside that 4 hour order block, we do not expect lower prices. And this is what? This is 145. That is this candle is what? This candle is New York opening price. And with strategy I trade, below opening price discount for a buy. Above opening price is what? Premium. So for a buy, I would like to buy from this point. Yeah, I would like to buy from this point. But my stop loss is going to be wide. So what am I going to do? I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking confirmation entries. So we're in the zone already. Okay. I've created our confirmation. Probably we have made this setup. Let's see. Okay. If we can get in here. Our entry is still kind of foul. So the reaction we wanted. You can go from this point. Yeah. New support level. This setup not looking nice to me. Let's just play and learn. Let's play and learn. Okay. It left us. It did not come to our entry, unfortunately. Yeah, that zone was good. It wasn't a sniper, but I was not confident on the setup, which is a normal thing. Yeah, you must not take every setup, but you must understand why price is reacting and why price is moving a certain way or in a certain direction. So let's continue playing price. This is still Tuesday. Yeah, a lot of people has been created. So there's low chance of price coming down below this low. This is a 4 hour block. So let's keep playing price. This is Tuesday. Okay. This is a very, very nice thing for me to see. So from this point, you can see this is another block. This is an FG, like a fair value gap. And what is this? This is a pullback. This is structure taking. So we know our range has been confirmed. What's confirming our range? We know low of the day has been created. There's low chance of us coming lower below this low. So it's not just pattern. This is more than pattern. The logic behind it is what matters. This is an imbalance. This is what is giving me more confidence on the trade. What I'm going to do, I'm going to buy from this point. Hmm. Do you see why multi-time frame is a very, very good thing? Doing analysis on more than one time frame is a very, very nice thing. Because if you look at 30 minutes, you can see another block close to a fair value gap. If you look at 15 minutes, you can see another block. So what am I going to choose? 15 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes? I'm going to go with 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to go with 15 minutes. It's about 1 to 7. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it is. Yeah, we keep learning. Backtesting is for us to learn. Okay. Wow. 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 On this day, because this setup happened very, very early, I woke up late. So I took the confirmation. Yeah, I took the confirmation. So after market got, yeah, market reacted this way on 5 minute time frame. I saw market in this zone. So I placed my entry. And I saw the next bullish candle. I saw the volume candle. Then I entered on the volume candle. This particular candle, I entered here. Let my stop loss below this particular low, below this loss, and targeted 1 to 550 or directly from this point. Yeah, simple stuff. How am I targeting 1 to 5 direct? From my backtesting data, I have discovered that my average risk reward is what? 1 to 5. So why will I be scared of taking setups? Never. You see, even though I experienced drawdown, but what my trade is smash TP. Yeah, so Monday, boom, Tuesday, boom, Wednesday, okay, Tuesday, boom, Tuesday, London and New York we like missed. Then Wednesday, another two setups. Yeah, that was how the week was going. This was Wednesday. Let's keep on playing price. Our target has not been met, although so from this point, this is 2 o'clock. So I don't like date chat. Let me chat so I can see. Let's keep playing price. This point, this other block looks like it's looking valid. Let's see what price does to this other block. The price did not come there. Price literally used to break our block. Yeah, it happens. We miss setup most times or sometimes. That's all part of the game, all part of the process. Yeah, can't miss that. So yeah, it has happened. 7:30. Let's have a drop. 8:30. 9:45. Okay. Yeah, no entry. No entry on Thursday. Yeah, it happens. Miss the initial entry from this point. Yeah, it happens. Yeah. So immediately I hit my target for the week. I stopped trading gold for that week because my target has been met and I've made more than enough. About 1 to 5 here, about 1 to 6 here, another 1 to 5, 1 to 6 again, another 1 to 5 again. That was going to almost 20 RR. This should be a win also. But it happens, yeah, we miss it up. Are we going to be angry and stuff? No. Will I want to trade on Friday? No, because I made profit virtually every day. So why will I want to trade again? So yeah, that was that for gold. And let's do GBP. Let's do that fast. So for GBP my predictions also I followed it judiciously, yeah, and I saw results. You can check out the previous week's video to actually see how what we do here and how we do it here. So on the daily, the last video, on my projections, I said I will be expecting what? I'll be expecting a reaction from this point. That if it's gonna be a reversal, are you with me? If it's gonna be a reversal, I need to see what time-based liquidity taken out. I see time-based liquidity taken out, I should but expect this close to get taken out. But yeah, let's play price and see what happens this week. So as I told you guys from my first video, I use a lot of conferences for my trading. Yeah, this is high level language. This is not just your random people teach you. So we've gone to the daily. You can see no time-based liquidity taken out, nothing like previous day high or previous day low were taken out. But they created something. I saw something at first, which I did not see before. Are you looking at the price? So see what I saw. I saw this shift in market structure. I saw this mitigating this other big breaker block here. And some markets what the market took out this candle, expecting this other block, this candle. When market respected it, so what the market now do? Market now created a low. Once market created this low on gold, on market created this low on GBP and gold failed to create what? Gold failed to, if you go and check gold on Monday, gold failed to create what? Gold failed to create a lower low. And DXY did what? DXY created a lower low. So I knew gold was going to go higher. And I knew GBP is going to go lower. Why? Just normal arithmetics. The GBP and gold, they tend to move in the same direction. Why DXY move in opposite direction with them. So if two of those pairs are moving in the same direction, that means one of them is about to diverge. So on that particular day, what did good do? Good move in direction with what DXY. You get so good created what an higher high, why DXY created a lower low. That was enough confidence for me to take a sell. And started seeing the pump up. So when I started seeing this pump up, I saw this candle as my liquidity. And I saw this break. And I saw this fair value gap. So what did I now do? I did my stuff again, taking what this other block as my entry. This fair value gap is a confidence for me. Yeah, I don't enter on fair value gaps. I do not enter on fair value gaps. And where will I be targeting? This almost gave me an headache, but yeah, the fact I've studied, the fact I've practiced, I navigated my way. So from here, took my fib to this point. I knew this 50% is going to get closed. Yeah, if this 50% is going to get closed, where can market reverse from? Market is going to reverse. Where is market going to? That's going to reverse in the lower half of this 50%, which is highly from this point. The market cannot react from, market cannot take this breaker block. I don't, because if market don't take the breaker block, market is going to what? Give me inducement for this breaker block to continue buying. What did I do? I targeted is 1 to 9 is the word. Yeah. So you see, I'm not just picking points as my take profit. I am picking points based on what? Based on logic over pattern. Then what? Then we got triggered. Got triggered. After we got triggered, what did I do again? I did the same thing. I saw my what? Same thing I'm always saying. I saw what? I saw this fair value gap. I saw this fair value gap again. So I knew market, there's a high chance of market spot closing in the fair value gap. So I picked my entry again from this point again. This candle will be my what? Be my liquidity. There's a lot to these things. So if you have any question, you can also DM me via Telegram. I'm gonna answer you. Yeah. So another entry from this point, 7.6 stop loss, targeting what? Another one to hit risk reward. So, ouch. Oh, I did not place my entry properly. Yeah, it got triggered. Was probably this is a change in price. The trade got triggered and it smashed. Yeah, and it smashed take profit. Yeah, so that was what I had on GBP USD on Monday. So on Tuesday, I was just chilled, and something crazy happened on Tuesday. Yeah, something crazy happened. That's what you mean. Let me clear this out so you can see price correctly. Are you still with me? So I saw something and I had a retain. So you see, what the market took out these highs, market started dropping. The market took out this low. This is previously low. Be cautious. So that's why you have to be attentive. This is where stay. Be cautious, be attentive. We took out previously low. Cautious, be attentive. Go to the daily. Inside what can you take out previously low? Inside what? Inside an order block. Okay. From there, I started to align things together. And what did we do on the daily also? We took out what? We took out liquidity from this side of the market. You see, we took out liquidity. When we are taking out buy side liquidity, I will sell side liquidity again. Okay, I will just firm and we are reacting from what? From this other block here, this point. Okay, so I'll just calm. And I saw I started getting taken out. Will I jump and push price? No, we don't do that here. We know what we are looking for in price. So as I saw something that made me so happy. So I saw this. So this look printed as liquidity, and I saw market get pushing higher. Okay, we are coming back down. This is what? This is a breaker. Overlapping with what? Overlapping with a fair value gap. Can you see that? This is premium knowledge. This is not your basic knowledge. This is more than what you guys can get discovered on YouTube. So you see, it's keep pushing higher. But I knew that was what immediately we're dropping. I knew okay, a breaker block is here. I'm going to do what? Do this simple thing. Wait for my entry to get triggered, put my stop loss where it's meant to be. I will target what? Target my net on liquidity, which is this. Why am I targeting this point? Previous deal is taken out. And the low, this is meant to be our target, previous day high. All the market broke structure to the upside, creating this imbalance. The right channel market is going to come back down, feeling this imbalance and push higher. But what market cannot just print this kind of low for no reason. So I guys getting the logic. So and we had this. Yeah, we had this straight to take profits. 1 to 10 risk to reward. You see, I'm telling you that my risk to reward is not cap. You see, 1 to 10 risk to reward. And let's continue playing price. Another setup occurred. So before we had this volume, we had this low printed. Can you guys see? On this particular day, we had news. Yeah, we had news. So having news, I knew this breaker block or this other block is gonna get used. Why? This low was printed, and the closest point of interest to this low, it is this point, this breaker here. So this breaker is also what this is the gap here. So it's overlapping with this gap. So there's high chance there's going to be a push to the upside from this point. But what below this breaker is what there are gaps here. I expect these gaps to get filled. Why? Market moves from what? Market moves from liquidity to imbalances. Once you spot your imbalance, you know. So what did I now do on this day? Market, I waited. So market did what? The news. So immediately the news came out. Sorry. Immediately the news came out. I saw the spike. And I knew market was to come and close this imbalance. So I picked my entry from this other block. This 5 minute other block. Yeah, below the fair value gap. The market had used the fair value gap, which is rare. Market to use that fair value gap. Market had used the fair value gap. I would jump in on continuation. Yeah, I would jump in on continuation. So that I've mitigated already. The market is tanking. They see the reversal. Are you guys getting me? Yes. So you see, simple and straightforward. Want to wait risk reward again. So now, what do we now see market doing? The market, this was Thursday. Yeah, so for last week I stopped trading on Thursday. So Friday price action, I did not touch Friday price action. Yeah, because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was bizarre for me. Yeah. Last week was bizarre. So what do we have? We had market reacting from this other block. This other block here. And market pushed to the upside. The market to close. So for this week, what am I expecting on gold and GBP? So for gold has been showing all signs. When I say signs, what do I mean? Gold has been showing all signs. So today is Monday. I was not able to do a video yesterday because of power supply outage. And yeah, today is Monday. And Monday we have seen bullishness on price. I did not trade today. Yeah. So Monday we've seen bullish prices. Although I woke up early and I missed the setup on gold also. I missed the setup. I was waiting for another block to get triggered. I was waiting for another block to get triggered, which did not get triggered though. So I knew this candle was another block on the lower time frame. So I was expecting this to get triggered. Why was I expecting this to get triggered? I did not check the 5 minutes. So I just picked my other block from that point. Yeah, our market did what market came down here. I saw it when it was formed, but I thought it was just a minor reaction to those drop to give me general liquidity for this buy. But I did not see it from a 5 minute standpoint. Until I saw it from a 5 minute standpoint, I would be buying from that point. So yeah, I'm in the setup. Will I force myself into the market? No. Will I rush to do anything? No. Because today's still Monday. We still have to the and moreover, this week is the NFP. And NFP week, we have to be surely careful. So what am I expecting on gold? I'm expecting gold to take out this height. And if gold is not taking out this height, I expect something like a time-based liquidity. If reversal want to happen, I'm expecting a time-based liquidity to happen. Then we keep selling. Selling to take out these lows. Yeah. If there's a reversal, we're going to sell to take out these lows. That's what I expect on gold. Gold is bullish. Gold is essentially bullish. But if gold want to reverse, you're going to take out time-based liquidity. You can also study your price action. You can see wherever it's reversing, time-based liquidity is taken out. So this shit is not random. So I'm expecting these eyes to get taken out. Yeah. Probably we can have higher prices. We can get to 4,000 or whatever. But if you are expecting a reversal, you know what to look for. And for GBP also, GBP has been doing good stuff also. You've seen what you've seen, if you look at it, you've seen what Thursday, Thursday low got taken out. Yeah, and we are seeing that volume. So Friday took out Thursday low and we're seeing that volume. So there's a chance we're going to take out this height. And I told you earlier, gold and GBP are moving in the same direction. There's a chance we're going to take out this height and probably take out this height But if we are going to see reverse, we're going to see what a particular key level. We're going to see what time-based liquidity taken out. You can see something like this. Previous day they get taken out. Yeah, that's time-based. So my bias for GB3 is bullish, for gold is bullish. What can change my bias if I see what time-based liquidity reversal from a what from a particular key level? So thank you very much, guys. I appreciate your like, share, and subscribe if you find value in this video. I'm going to be catching you all next week. Stay tuned.